We're all packed. We are all packed and ready to leave our wonderful beach club, beach house, beach resort. We're ready to leave the beach club. I'm gonna miss your room.
Yeah.
Epcot's entrance, back entrance is literally like right where those people are coming from. Huh. So sad. Ready to go. Goodbye, nice room. On our way to Disney Springs. Look, Mickey's trying to barf.
Apparently Aladdin is bad.
On a happier note, look at all the happy Mickeys.
So many happy Mickeys. You are a now.
I'm gonna go with Everest socks. Oh, I like those. From the Haunted Mansion.
Oh yeah, especially because like the room is.
Yeah. Look at this Stitch shirt. Looks comfy.
That does look comfortable. I like the cut.
Nice. There's a group.
Oh no.
That's really cool.
These are so cute. Oh cool. Stitch is cute too.
Oh, Pua looks cute. Let's get out of there before we break something.
Boom, boom, boom.
Break something I can't afford.
Flailing everywhere. Whoops.
My cup. Her cup.
Try the blended one.
Ooh.
Try it.
Ooh. I hate them both. Trying to find the chicken guy. Ooh, shiny.
Shiny. Want it?
Oh, hey, hey. Things that you've seen so far, I think this is my favorite.
Yeah. I made one small.
Maybe you should get it. Stop by to fight this Azelf raid real quick before we get some lunch at Chicken Guy. Julie got her shirt.
Got a shirt.
Single-handedly funding the Mulan merch market. We're at Chicken Guy now. She was unable to procure her psychic chicken.
Was it a chicken?
Let's see, what do you want to get? Alright, so I think they put both my sauces in my sandwich. But your sauces look good. Yeah. That's seltzer water if anyone's asking. It actually is. So we're gonna get soda over there. Soda floats. This one's soda float?
Yeah.
Oh, donkey sauce is good. That's like a tartar sauce type of thing.
Yeah, I like it. I knew there was an issue with garlic conversation.
That's weird, but I like it.
It mixes it okay. And then she
Mix is okay. Look at all this sick Coke. Ooh. Slushy maker?
Intriguing.
How does that work?
Place inner core in freezer. Pour in Coca-Cola. Stir, scrape, size, and enjoy.
Interesting.
Get it, get it, get it.
Oh no, but it's still interesting. I love all the cool Coke merch. Coke float? Check out our float flight.
Float flight time.
But also check out all the sexy flies.
So many.
Dude, they're all over the floor. Look at that. They're like everywhere. Truly is mating season, I guess. Which one is your favorite?
Root beer.
We should eat that one first.
Which one is it?
I don't know. Let's finish these before they get melted. We can't eat this one because the sexy fly went inside of it.
It went inside the best one.
It went inside the best one. Damn you, sexy flies. We made it to the bus. Coronado Springs, and I mean back as in for the first time. Back to our next one. Our room's not ready yet, but let's either explore or try to take some stuff with the flight. Figure it out. See you at Disney Springs for now. Look at this fountain. That's interesting. Interesting. I like
Strawberry.
it. Oh, and you can fill up your stuff here. Dang, look at how long that bridge is. That's nuts. Goes all the way around. And the beach is over there? Straight ahead. I mean, the pool is straight ahead?
Yeah.
That's the new one?
That's the tower, yeah. I think it's gonna... I don't know if it's gonna be DVC, but...
There's a lot of fountains everywhere, which is really nice.
It's really pretty.
Let's see. The lady gave us this really nice map and drew us a pathway.
Yeah.
3146. We're just a little lost. But so far, this place is actually really nice.
Yeah.
I like that we're close to the bus stop too.
Yeah, either one. I feel like that would be good to get off of at nighttime.
And this one will be good to get on.
Yeah.
3141. 3142. 3146.
Yep.
Ooh, that's cool. Wow. Look at that. Look at these doors.
Where are the lights?
I don't know. There we are. Hey, this is pretty nice. Oh, I love that.
That's cool.
So when I'm on my phone, I don't disturb you. You're already asleep. Look at that. That's pretty nice. After a brief siesta. Siesta fiesta. Now we're just gonna explore Coronado Springs. I want to see the pool and stuff.
Yeah.
We should have brought the map. So our room is somewhere over there. And here's the bridge. There's more rooms on that side. And look at this new hotel. It's not open yet, and that restaurant's not open yet either. But that looks nice. Oh, got it. One-handed.
No.
It's 2-2. Whoops. It's 3-2. You gotta guard better.
I'm really bad at that.
Damn.
I feel like that should be yours, but...
3-3. No. Okay, I'm putting this down.
Okay. No.
This place is almost done.
Yeah.
Still under construction. Almost done though. Look at these. Ooh, trippy. Trippy. Look at that. Woo. A closer look at the new tower. Looks nice. Right now we're just waiting for Boris.
I'm gonna go eat a hot juice.
Yeah. I've been craving for a long time. Crawfish time. What? You're ruining everything. Alright, are you drooling? Ooh. Open this delicious goodness. Oh, I'm drooling. My mouth is drooling. Baby, don't hog all the smell. Give me the warmth. Look at that. Alright.
Can't wait.
We're gonna destroy this bag real quick. How is it? Almost done. Just gotta kill these bits before the delicious crab. Oh, we killed the hell out of that food. It was delicious.
So full. So I think totally worth the
I think
drive.
that's our Uber. Black Lexus.
That one?
Up front?
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
Up front.
Where? There's some.
Now baby giraffes are born already 6 feet tall. A little too close for me to stop, so we're gonna go poly, which does mean very slowly.
Ooh. I love lit up Disney at night. They always find the nicest way to light everything up. Wow, look at that. Getting ready for the water show.
Did we just say we were going to Animal Kingdom?
Oh yeah, by the way, we're in Animal Kingdom. See Animal Kingdom. Stuff? Where's our stuff? Yeah. Finally got our luggage. Like a minute ago. We were watching Survivor while we waited. And, yeah. That's it for day 7.